Okay, ladies and gentlemen, second problem. Probably gonna go through this pretty quick so we don't waste too much time. Just like the one before, we're gonna start with the rules. Don't forget, if we get a negative number, we must divide and then split the symbol and all that good stuff, okay? Start with the border. Distribute. If you wanna get ahead, go for it. Still take my time, just double check if you need to. Or you can pause the video and just come back to what I'm doing. Distribute, gonna circle this 2 because it's in front of the parentheses. 2 times x, you already know what's in front of the x, I'm not gonna write it down. 2 times x gives me 2x. Next one. 2 times 17. Calculator. 34. Let's bring everything down that hasn't been touched. Minus 6 comes down. 12 comes down. Next step, variables on the left. There's only one variable in this whole problem. We got the 2x. Nothing else has an x, so we should be alright. Move it to the left side. I'm going to put it right here so make there's not that much space. 2x. Don't forget, switches sides. Negative 2x. Cross this out. Gotta move my constants to the right side. There's already 2 over there. Have a 12. Throw that to that side. This goes for a positive. 2, a negative. Almost done, ladies and gentlemen. Almost done. Don't forget, we need to read. 34 minus 6 minus 12. Put that in your calculator real quick. 34 minus 6 minus 12. That gives me 16. Just gonna bring it down. I don't need to make it too complicated. Bring down this negative 2x. And the last step is to divide. Divide, divide. Hopefully we can already see whatever's in front of the variable. Divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Don't forget, we just divided by a negative number. Since we divide by a negative number, something's gonna flip. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1x. Calculator, 16 divided by negative 2 is negative 8. And then my symbol switches over to greater than. Remember, I don't like that one in front of the x, so you can either erase it already or just rewrite it. X is greater than or equal to negative 8. And that's it. Pretty good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you write that down. I'm going to erase this real quick because I do have a challenge for us to do over the weekend. Take a screenshot, take a picture of your phone, or you can pause it and come back to it. Now, you got 2 days off, and I'm going to present a challenge that I hope many of you take. I'm going to put this beautiful problem up here. It's nice and long and big and everything. It's going to be a terrific problem if you can get to it. Let me see if I make sure I copy it down correctly. I'm going to call it a bonus. Why is it a bonus? If you get the right answer, you're going to take a picture of it. You're either going to email it to me or send it to me through mine. If you have all the work and everything looks great, I'll go ahead and erase your lowest grades and just put hundreds. Boom, 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 boom. Because this is a terrific problem. I'm going to go over it on Monday. Negative 16 minus 8 parentheses. Negative 15g plus 1 is greater than or equal to 19g minus 19. Pause the video, make sure you can see that problem. If you want to do all the work, remember you're going to do all the beautiful work. You're going to take a beautiful picture of the work. Send it to me to remind you. If you have remind, my act code is Ramirez 314, or send it to my email. My email is sramirez, the number 4, at alldisd.org. Please, if you're want to take a challenge, try and do this whole problem. Not going to help you because I'm going to go over it on Monday, but if you get the correct answer with all the beautiful work, I'm going to drop all your lowest grades, any zeros, I'll just put hundreds, and you'll be good to go for the first week of school. Okay? It was a pleasure working with you the first week of school. Let me know if you need any help. I have a couple of people scheduled for tutoring sessions, so if you need some extra help, just let me know. Okay? Have a great weekend.